Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to remove or change our password lock screen in Samsung S22. Right now we have password. So yes, we have password. How to change it or how to turn it off? We need to go to settings, then lock screen, and at the top we have lock screen type. Right now we have to re-enter our password, and now we can change it. For example, swipe. We can also have pattern, so we simply draw a pattern. We have PIN number, digits only. Password we had before, or we can also have none. So just a simple push of a button and no swipe, no anything. Of course, face and fingerprint is also available. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.